那是什么牌？
The buyer will have minimum.
Oh,
The guys recorded. There's a lot of videos happening.
BGK versus BGK.
Ay! Kasi may YouTuber pa rin. Ayun. Ano yung hinabalidad?
Nice.
Ah, so pala ni Daddy yung bigay yung sapatos.
Dito. Hey, pretty cool.
Nice! Nice,
What a
Chloe! Yeah,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Ooh, she did it again.
Yes! Nice, Chloe! Nice, Chloe!
She's high-key cooking.
Yeah! Nice, confused.
Oh, dang. Ooh, shave. Ooh, shave. Aw.
Oh. Laban na. Oo. Hindi na yun. Mahaba-haba yung aral. Yeah.
I think we all just get to two matches.
21. Then who won?
I think you just get a win. It's not. I don't really know
after
how
that-
you win.
You don't know. Mga hindi nakinig din. Mga magchichismisan.
Yeah. I couldn't hear them. We were in the back actually.
Yeah, yeah. Nice!
Hindi kita. Oo. Hindi, tama na. Sino ka lang mo? Ay, sino ka kampi mo? Sino ka kampi mo? You should understand it.
Oo, kasi marunong mag-Tagalog siya. Parang si Chloe yan. Mas maraming naiintindihan pa yata si
Uy.
Ay! No side to Chloe.
Player ka na.
It was the right move. It just got so out.
Yeah.
And daddy player.
Yeah, with someone.
Yeah, I think it should be mixed. Mixed doubles.
Lahat mix. Lahat mix.
So, ano ko, sir? Sabi talaga na, ay, pare-right. No, bakit mo ako right gusto? Alam ko,
Sige mo naman, wala naman ako. Nagsumali lang kami para lang.
For the flip.
For the, hindi, ewan ko lang. Si Daddy lang. Gusto lang.
Why are they switching courts?
Oo nga, dapat wala na.
Maybe they switched it out just like last minute.
Andale.
Hey, welcome.
Uy, pumasok. Nice, Jazz. Nice, Jazz.
Wow.
Oh! Oh!
It's
Nice! Nice, Coco! Nice, baby! Kuya, kanya lumapit ka.
Kulayan kita. Next time. Next time. Next time. I have already seen you. There's food on there. What are the English for? It's fine. Pero hindi nila ko lang
It's okay, baby. Busy. Busy.
We gotta go.
Commercial.
Hold on, stop the
Commercial
match.
lang. May commercial din lang. Ito naka-record. Nice. What's the score? Anong score? I love the color. Thank you. Ang cute. Diba?
Favorite.
Pero ano, ay wala pala. Hindi pa nakita yung shoes.
Wala akong purple ngayon.
Hindi pa nakita sa pato. Sabi ko pa naman,
Ang galing mo yan.
halo. Apalo.
Yung mga jump smash talaga ni Jess eh. Boom. Sira na yung rocket shuttle. Iba na yung ano.
Bang!
Change shuttle na.
Naset ano, tawag yun.
Change shuttle na.
Sinat niya yung sarili niya.
Change shuttle na
Forced
yan.
us to give them a gift. I don't really know what
Oh, change shuttle na. Ay, kaya pa.
Oy,
Oh, change shuttle na.
Out.
Wala pa pala akong laro. Pwede ba mga tayo?
Ano talaga? Ano time yun?
Anong score?
17-13 yan. Parang yan.
7-3? Wow,
17-13.
that's pretty good.
Out.
83.
Ito na lang. Daddy and Coco.
Yeah, they're doing pretty good.
Out. Warning na. 2 more points. Come on. Nice. Ito na lang.
So this should be game 3.
Dalawa pa, no? 19 at 20 ako. Game point.
Okay, that was good.
Oh.
Nice.